If you hear jingling bells or meowing in the background, it's because we have a kitten. She just joined the family and she is spending time in the studio so that she gets really comfortable down here with everything that's down here. So she does have some cat toys in the room with me, and I'm just dealing with the noise, and hopefully it's okay with you too. Sorry if it's disruptive. Now, if you see me talking to myself in public, I promise I haven't lost it. Well, I kind of have, but all of us YouTubers are a little bit out there. I'm just chatting with my glasses, because today we are talking about the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. What's up, s'mores? I'm Shannon Morse. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Huge shout out to Meta for providing these Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses for my review and my channel. Now, while this product was provided, Meta has no editorial control over my review. Now, these bad boys start around $299 and they come in different styles like the classic Wayfarer, the round headliner, and the cat-eyed Skylar, which is what I have been rocking in this gorgeous black colorway. If you do purchase transition lenses or prescriptions, then that price will increase. Now, they look like normal glasses until you start bossing them around with your voice. Right now, there's a really good sale on these glasses too. You can get 20% off a pair via my affiliate link down below. That deal is only good until June 16th. So snag a pair now if you want them. Now, right out of the box, you get the glasses, a faux leather charging case with USB-C, and a cleaning cloth, and a setup guide that shows you how to install the Meta View app. The glasses are very lightweight. They are surprisingly comfy, though a little bit tight on my head, and you can even get them with prescription lenses, which I love. Now, as somebody who wears glasses daily, this feature actually makes them very practical. I was on a time crunch though, so I needed mine the same day, so I'm currently wearing contact lenses with mine, but I could order prescriptions right through the website. Now, these are also sunglasses, and mine are transition lenses. I chose the amethyst colorway for my lenses, which looks great with my preferred style. The transitions do work flawlessly and as expected. They are dark enough to wear on sunny days, so here's some photos and videos of me actually wearing them outside, and they also look pretty normal to wear. They are made of an injected plastic mold with a high bridge fit, and if you have a low bridge, which I actually do, my nose has a pretty low bridge, then there are a couple of options for you as well. Again, I was on a time crunch, so I got what was in stock. But here's the interesting part. They've got a 12 megapixel camera, 5 mics, open ear speakers, and a touchpad over on the arm. Now, if you're finding this video helpful, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. Subscribing is a very simple way of showing me which videos you find helpful and valuable. Zelda wants to say hi. She's meowing at me. And it tells me which direction I should be taking my channel in. For example, do you want to see more of the cat? You can totally see more of the cat when you subscribe. Big Patreon shout out to my newest patrons. You can join them and support my channel by going over to patreon.com/ShannonMorse for perks like early video access and my private Discord. As usual, all of the videos on my channel are free to watch, and I thank my YouTube members and my patrons for making that possible. Now, I wanted to move on to the audio. You can actually listen to Spotify, you can take calls, and you can watch and listen to YouTube videos all from these glasses. They have this directional open ear speaker set that are surprisingly solid. No, they're not gonna replace your fancy earbuds, especially in noisy places, but for podcasts or casual jamming out, 1010 would recommend. They sound really clear. And even though I don't use Spotify, you can just Bluetooth to your phone and listen to your favorite music streaming app instead, and the controls on the arm work really great for controlling your music. Okay, now this is the really fun part. You can say, "Hey Meta, take a photo." And it takes a photo! Or you could just press the little capture button for instant point of view pictures in up to 3 minutes of video. Now, I have worn these glasses at the zoo, to a laser tag place. I've worn them when I was bowling and I actually captured like really good strikes on camera. I was like, yes, pics or it didn't happen. I got the pics. I also used it to do some unboxings here on my set. I even went up to New York City to a Sailor Moon musical, and I was able to record there when we were allowed to record. Just make sure that whatever you are recording, be respectful, follow privacy etiquette, do not put people on camera that do not want to be, do not put people on camera who did not consent. Now the footage is shockingly decent for something just sitting on your face. Videos are in portrait mode. I will put the actual resolution and details on camera so you can see those. They are perfect for Instagram or TikTok, and there is a little white LED indicator, which you saw previously, whenever you are recording. So people kind of know you're not just creepily staring at them like this the whole time. Now, in my opinion, if this was a classic red LED, that would be a lot more obvious, since as a society, we identify red LED equals camera recording. A white LED is not as noticeable. It is nice though that if you cover it up or if you try to hide or mask that LED, it will not record. It will stop you, and there's no way to disable the LED in the settings. I like that for privacy. I like that a lot. I think it's really important given these look so normal to wear. Now, if you choose to enable it, the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses can also help you answer calls and send and listen back to messages sent over Messenger, WhatsApp, and your regular cellular line. For example, I can get a notification through the glasses that says I got a new RCS text message from my husband, and the glasses can read it to me so I don't have to take out my phone. Now let's delve into the AI in these Ray-Ban Meta AI smart glasses. You can ask questions like, what kind of flower is this? Or translate that sign, and the glasses will actually respond. You can even choose from celebrity voices like Kristen Bell. Anybody else watch The Good Place? Because I love that show. It's so funny. Now, in order to use the voice interactions, you can prompt Meta by saying, "Hey Meta, look and tell me what I'm looking at." So it actually told me that I am looking at a camera setup in a home studio, and it's 100% correct. I can also tell it to look at something and write a caption for a scene, or look at something and summarize this. The voice interactions are a little bit hit or miss though. Sometimes the AI totally nails it. Sometimes it goes a little bit off the rails with some weird answers. For example, I went to this store in New York City, this flagship fancy store, and I asked it to translate a hat that I saw and a t-shirt. Now the kanji actually says the brand name of this store, but it told me that it says Japan. That was not correct. In another example, I wore these to the zoo and I asked it to identify all sorts of different animals like penguins, a giraffe, all sorts of things, capybara, and it got them correct. So it was really good at identifying things, objects, animals, but it wasn't so great at doing the translations. And maybe that's just because it was kanji, but honestly, Japanese is the one that I'm translating the most, given my interests. Now with that said, Meta recently added live translating on the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses as well, which you can access by saying start live translation or by using the Meta AI app. Now the Ray-Ban Meta glasses can also let you do video calls from your point of view via WhatsApp or Messenger. So for example, I can call my mom and I can show her a first-person view of my new kitten via Messenger. When you start a video call with somebody, all you have to do is double press on the capture button to switch from the phone camera over to the glasses camera, and then you double press it again to switch back. Now, of course, you would need a WhatsApp or a Messenger account in order to use those features. Now, you manage everything through the Meta View app. Setup is super easy, and you can import photos, update firmware, manage settings, all of it just right here in the app. It even syncs media automatically when the glasses are in the charging case. You've got 32 gigs of onboard storage, which is roughly 500 photos or over 100 short videos. Just don't forget to offload your content every few days, or you will hit that limit fast if you are recording a ton of video. Now, I want to get real about the battery life. You are looking at about 4 hours of charge, maybe less if you are heavy on the video or AI. The case though is going to give you 8 full recharges, which is great. But yeah, you're probably going to need a midday top off if you are vlogging a lot of your life. If you do want a wearable that is stylish though, that is functional and just the right amount of quirky, the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses are definitely worth checking out. When I let my friends wear them and try them out, they naturally understood how to use the AI, how to take photos and videos. Now these also had similar responses from a lot of my friends. They said things like, whoa, these are so cool. And they really enjoyed listening to music through the very clear speakers. Now, I really like that these are intuitive, they are easy to use, and the case is very protective, and they work really well for travel, and they're so much fun to wear. I wasn't sure if I would like them, but for listening to music and making first-person videos for my content creation, even just first person calling my sister and showing her my new kitten, like what a cool experience. They've been an awesome addition to my creator lifestyle. So on the pro side, I would say these are very normal looking, they're stylish frames, and if you don't like the cat eye look, you can get the other different stylish frames as well. They have great microphones, really decent speakers, actually very clear speakers, and the camera is so extremely useful, and the AI features are very quick when you're connected to your phone. On the con side, the battery could be better. I think the AI could be better, and I feel like it's a learning experience there. And there's also limited integrations outside of Meta's ecosystem for like those third-party music listening apps, for example. But overall, I dig these, surprisingly a lot. They make everyday life feel a little bit more like science fiction, and if you're into content creation or you're somebody who wants to document life hands-free, they're a blast. With Zelda, our new kitten, just being able to go hands-free and play with her makes for some really adorable videos. And getting footage of her just looking at me right in the face, like stop it, she's so cute. So what do you think? Would you wear smart glasses like these, or is this just one step too close to Black Mirror? Drop your thoughts down in the comments down below. And again, huge thanks to my Patreon family for supporting this channel. You make these kind of deep dive experiences possible. If you want to support what I do and get some behind the scenes perks as well, check out the link below. And don't forget to check that sale for these Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses for 20% off. That is a really good deal. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.